Hello, in this video we're making this banana bread oatmeal which makes just the perfect comfort food in the mornings. First you're going to need to mash a banana. You can also leave a few chunks in there. And then in a saucepan you're going to take your oats and the water and add in your banana, and then you're going to switch on your flame on low and stir it. And then let this cook till it thickens up, and you're going to stir it every now and then. Cook it as thick or as thin as you like. And once you have your desired consistency, you're going to switch off the flame. Then you're going to add in your ground cinnamon, some ground nutmeg, salt, vanilla extract, and some honey. And you're going to mix all this goodness together. And then pour it steaming hot into your favorite bowl. You can see how thick and creamy the consistency here is. And then you can top this with some more ground cinnamon, because why not? Add on some walnuts, or you can even add on some chocolate chips. And then pour on some more honey if you like the extra sweetness. And then dig into this hot, creamy goodness. This actually tastes just like banana bread in the form of oatmeal, and it also reminds me of a banana pudding. It's warm and comforting and perfect to start your day. I hope you enjoyed this quick and healthy recipe, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with new videos, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye!